It's great. It's not our first time, so I've had 2 apprentices previously. It's really nice having a new person in the team, and also just it gives us an opportunity to keep skills going and making sure that we're not losing skills.
So whenever I have spare time during the day, they always allow me to do college work, and if I need extra sources of information, there's always someone there to help me or guide me in the right direction. I'd never thought I'd be able to work so close with marine life, and I find that really interesting, and I also get the opportunity to go on field trips.
As part of the University of Southampton being a signatory of the technician commitment, one of our aims is to increase the sustainability of our workforce. One of the main ways of doing that is to recruit via apprenticeships. So yes, hiring apprentices going forward is going to be a big part of our recruitment strategy.
Yes, I would recommend taking an apprenticeship because it's a great way to earn valuable skills and earn some money whilst you learn.